Hey singers, today we're diving into something that can instantly change the way you sound, breathing for singing. If you've ever run out of breath while you're holding a note or you've struggled to sing powerfully, then this video is for you. Stick around till the end because I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite exercises that I do that can help you have steady, strong breath control. Your breath is like the foil for your voice. And without proper breath control, your voice is going to sound weak, shaky, or even flat. But with proper breath control, oh my god, your voice is going to sound louder, stronger, and more controlled. Now, let's train your lungs, your diaphragm, and your body to work together. First, let's check how you are breathing right now. Now, place one hand on your chest and place another on your stomach. Now, you're going to breathe in. While you breathe in deeply, if your chest rises up a lot, then that is shallow breathing. But if your stomach expands outwards, then that's diaphragmatic breathing. And that's exactly what we need for singing. Now, let's go. One hand on your chest, one hand on your stomach. Now, breathe in deeply. Okay, so you're going to know if it is your chest that is rising up, then you know that is shallow. But if it is your tummy, your stomach that is expanding outward, then you know that that is diaphragmatic breathing. Exercise number 1, the balloon breath, also known as the diaphragm activation. Now, what do you have to do? You're going to sit tall or stand tall, whichever you're doing, whether you are sitting or you're standing, just be straight up. Okay, then next you're going to breathe in deeply for 4 counts. Okay, then you're going to hold for 2 counts, and then you're going to release with 6 to 8 counts. Now, while you are breathing in for the 4 counts, make sure you are breathing deeply with your diaphragm. Okay, what we mentioned earlier, your stomach should be the one expanding outwards for 4 counts, then you are going to hold for 2 counts, and then you are going to let it go. You're going to breathe out for 6 to 8 counts while you let your stomach go back in. Now you are going to repeat this for 5 times. Now, what does this do? It helps you train deeper, controlled breaths. Now let's go. And that's it. Secondly is the hissing exercise, also known as breath control. Now, what are you going to do? You're going to inhale deeply for 4 counts, and after inhaling, you're going to breathe out on a steady sound. Okay? Now, while you do that, you're going to hold for like about 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds. You can get better as it goes. Now, what does this help you to do? It helps you take longer and sustained notes. Now let's go. Breathe in. Just like that. You can repeat about 5 times. Next is the lip trills, also known as breath and relaxation. Now, how can you do this? You are going to do a brr sound, okay? Now, what does this do? It helps you relaxes your lips and your vocal cords while it teaches you steady airflow. Now, let's go. Brr, brr, can practice it while going up and down a scale. Brrrr, brrrr, just like that. You can repeat as much as you can. Like I said, it helps you learn how to get steady air flow. Next is the book exercise, also known as the building breath strength. Now, how do you do this? You're going to lie flat. You're going to lie flat on the ground. Then you're going to place a light book on your stomach. Now, while you place that light book on your stomach, you're going to inhale deeply. So you're going to inhale while the book rises, and you're going to exhale while it falls. You get it? Now, what does this do? This strains your diaphragm muscles and gives you awareness for belly breathing. Now, let's practice this into singing. You're going to pick a single note like ah, yes, and sing it, okay? While with a single breath. You're going to sing it with a single breath, just like this. Ah. Just like that. You're going to take it in a single breath. Now notice how steady and longer you'll be able to hold your breath while you do this. If you practice these exercises very well, I promise you, you're going to do more better with belly breathing. Breathing is the foundation of great singing. Now, if you practice these exercises that I just showed you for 5 to 10 minutes in a day, you will notice a huge difference in your breathing, your control, and your confidence. Now, if you like this video, please do well to click on the like button, subscribe, and share. Comment below which exercises did you find more helpful. Now, until next time, keep singing.